Ever clicked a formula and felt instant regret? Nested ifs, layers of logic, a wall of brackets that makes zero sense at first glance? With the Formula Inspector's breakdown feature, you don't just look at formulas, you see how they work. Expand to dive deep, collapse to keep overview, or jump straight to where you need to be. But wait, it gets better. Turn on intermediate values to see the result at every step, so you can see exactly how the end result comes together. And when you want to investigate further, click any reference to jump straight to it. You can always return to the formula using the back arrow. We can't expect all formulas to be simple, but we can make them simple to understand. You know those Excel formulas that make your eyes spin? Meet the Formula Inspector's Spotlight function, the reading glasses Excel's been waiting for. Turn it on, and everything dims except the cell you're working on and the logic connected to it. References, dependents, spill ranges, you name it. No distractions, no guessing how things connect. And as you move through your workbook, Spotlight moves with you. It helps you spot irregularities and see each formula in context. If you need it, you can leave your original formatting visible underneath. Then choose colors that best stand out on top. Clarity isn't always about seeing everything, it's about seeing what matters. We've all been there. You delete something you thought was safe to delete, and suddenly ref errors pop up in places where you least expected them. Take this innocent-looking cell. Appears to be a leftover. So why does deleting it break this here? Finding this out used to be a nightmare. Not with the Formula Inspector's Dependents tab. No more guessing, no more messy arrows, and no manual tracing. Let's undo the deletion and simply review everything that relies on it, whether it's directly adjacent or a million rows deep on a hidden worksheet. Just click a dependent to investigate, then use the back arrow to return to where you started. From now on, you know what's going to break before it does. That's control.